Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by positioning and configuring quickly. Place the boom 1-to-1, 5 inches from your mouth, and angle it slightly off-axis to reduce plosives. Once done, open Windows sound settings and turn off any microphone boost, then set device level around 60 to 70% so you keep headroom. Next, install and open Razer Synapse. Choose the BlackShark V2 mic profile to unlock basic EQ and gain controls. These steps get you clean input before deeper tweaks. Now you dial tonal balance and control noise. First, add a high-pass filter at about 80 to 120 Hz to remove low-frequency rumble from breathing or desk vibrations. Then use a subtractive cut between 200 and 500 Hz if the voice sounds boxy, and gently boost 2 to 5 kHz by 3 to 5 decibels for clarity and presence. Reduce input gain so peaks sit around -6 to -10 dBFS, and enable a noise gate near -40 decibels to keep background hiss out. Finish by adding subtle compression and testing. Use a gentle 2-1 compression with 3 to 6 decibels of peak reduction to even out dynamics without sounding squashed. Record a short test clip speaking naturally and listen back with closed-back headphones, aiming for average levels around -12 dBFS. If you hear distortion or crackle, immediately lower the preamp gain. Swap the USB cable or try a different port. Those fix most hardware issues. If problems...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.